warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my topic is about brain. It's a very important part of our body.
Speak loudly.
Brain is an incredible organ which helps us to think, feel and experience the world around us. Brain is called the boss of our body and it's just like a supercomputer in our head. Our brain is made up of many nerves called neurons, and our brain has many parts which do different jobs like cerebrum.
Calmly.
Cerebrum.
Take your own time.
Cerebellum, and last one is medulla, or we can say brainstem. The cerebrum, it's used for thinking, learning. The cerebellum.
Take your own time. Just make them understand about your topic.
Cerebrum, it's used to think, solve problem, and cerebellum, it's used for coordination and balance, and medulla, it's used for basic functions like sneezing, heartbeat, etc. And the study of brain is called as neuroanatomy, and study of its function is known as neuroscience. We have many nerves in our brain, but there are three important nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves,
Speak loudly.
motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves take information from body part to the brain. Motor nerves bring information back from brain to the body part, and mixed nerves do both. And take an example, when we accidentally put our hand on tandem, we took it back fastly.
We take it back.
We take it back fastly, and the sudden response to the stimuli, this is called reflex action. When we respond to the stimuli very fastly or suddenly, this is called reflex action. And there are two more actions, that's voluntary action. Voluntary action and non-voluntary action. Voluntary actions are the actions which are controlled by us, like dancing, writing, it's all controlled by us. Non-voluntary actions are the actions which are not controlled by us, like heart rate, sneezing, it's not controlled by us, it's without our willingness, okay. One more term, that's amnesia. It refers to the inability to remember events for a period of time. This is known as amnesia. Now, there are some tips that we will sharpen how to sharpen our mind. We have to sleep well. We have to eat healthy diet. We have to meditate. We have to exercise, and we have to remain active mentally and physically. Yes. If you have any question.
I have a question, can I ask?
Yes.
Which part of the brain is responsible for forgetting things?
It's hippocampus, right? Is it right? Okay, this is all about my topic.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Blinking of eyes is voluntary action or non-voluntary?
Blinking of?
Eyes.
It's voluntary.
I think it's non-voluntary.
It's voluntary. We can, we can control. When we do eye power, we control our blinking of eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other question you would like to ask? Okay, big hand for our